It's good morning, all. So, in yesterday's class, we had discussed about streams. So, streams are used to process the collection of elements. Streams contains a look like a pipeline. It's a sequence of the operations we have. So, source for streams, what is the source? Collection or arrays. Through the collection, we can convert into stream. Then we will apply intermediate operations. Finally, to produce the result, we will use the terminal operations. And also we discussed about filter. What is the purpose of the filter? From the elements, it will filter the records based on the given condition. So filter filter method purpose, like in SQL we have where condition. That's similarly this is the filter. We will filter the records based on the particular condition. So filter the elements based on the condition. So yesterday we saw one example. So salary, whose salary was greater than 5,000, we are filtering those employees. So my another requirement is in filter, I want to filter the employees from development department whose salary greater than 5,000. So are you able to understand the requirement? The employees who are belongs to development department and then their salary is greater than 5,000. I need those employee list. Understood? Someone can admit. So are you able to understand this requirement? In traditional way, how we can achieve this? I'm audible or not?
Yeah,
Yes,
you
you're
are audible.
audible.
Okay. So here itself we have how we achieved yesterday in traditional way. We are iterating the employees. So this is our actual list. So yesterday we created 5 employee objects and we added into this list. Here how many people are there from the development department? Developer. 2 people are there. So what I will do here today, I have 2 conditions. Yesterday, from all employees whose salary is greater than 5,000. Today, my first condition is employees who is belongs to the development department. So that condition I will add here by using this reference dot get department dot equals. So which department? Development department. So one condition completed. How you will write SQL query if you want to filter means in where condition department equal to developer. So similarly here we will use the if condition in traditional way. And my second condition whose salary is greater than 5,000. So my what is my requirement? I want the list employee list. So outside the for loop for each loop I will create a employee list employee. So new how we can declare list new array list. So in this list I will include my employees. So this is the class dot add this employee. Now you can print this outside the loop. This is out employee salary. So we'll execute and check this one. Run as
So can you explain the line number 51 once again?
1 minute. Line number
Line number 51, sir.
51.
Here, I think we are assigning the name for the employees only, right?
Huh?
We are creating new, we are adding new column to this.
Oh, it's filtered employees. Just this reference name. So
Okay,
this
sir.
is the employee I'm adding. Here we are iterating one by one employee. This is the list. From the list we are iterating.
Thank you, sir. Go on, sir. Please go ahead.
Hmm. So similar only yesterday what we did that same thing. But today we kept one more condition. Yesterday we filtered all employees salary who's greater than 5,000. Today I want from the development department whose salary is greater than 5,000. So developer salary greater than 5,000. So we will get these two employees now, but we not got. Now we got. Previously it's not saved maybe. So you can see his salary 1 lakh that is greater than 5,000. The salary 50,000. So employee ID 3. Two employees we got. Correct? So here I will reduce to 5,000. Now it will fetch how many employees? Can anyone guess? Hello. Now it will fetch how many employees? Two employee or one employee? No idea. If
Two
at least
employees.
say yes or no. If wrong also I will do something you what will happen if wrong means nothing. Be interactive. So you can see here employee dot get salary greater than 5,000. Then it will fetch this record it will fetch
No, sir.
No, no,
why
sir. It is
because
not a future sum. It is
so
not kept as greater
equal
than or equal to.
greater than or equal to I will give means then it will fetch. So this one why it is printed here. This is got from where 1 minute. We can add here. So filtered list. This is belongs to this one. Next is out. We have here functional way. Functional way. We will execute. Okay. Maybe this out's orders are changing. This is belongs to this one. No problem. You can see here. Now we get only 1 lakh salary. Now how we can achieve with the help of streams. Traditional. Now we saw in traditional way. In functional way, how we can achieve this? Any idea? Functional way, same requirement. I want to achieve in functional way. Same thing. First, how we will convert employees dot stream dot filter. Here in the lambda expression, we will add another condition. Then we are collecting into list. Then I can understand that your yesterday's class can't able to understand. Filter the employees. Same thing only, na, just I am filtering. Here I am adding one more condition. Similarly, we did in traditional way also same. We can execute this run as a Java application. So similar answer came here. Traditional way we got ID 2. Functional way also we got ID 2. Clear? Shall I go next to method, map method, or I want to explain again filter?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
So map method. So map method we are using to transform the stream into another stream. From the stream into another stream. So here transforming means so we have the source from the collection employee list we have employee list dot stream. Then we will call intermediate method called as a map. This map what it is doing, it will transform. So once you are converting employee list into stream, then it will become a stream. By using this map, again it will return a stream only. So intermediate map cannot invoke if you are not calling terminal operation. So here map what it is doing, it is transforming that stream into another stream. So for example, you have the employee names. I need only employee name from the employee list, all employee names from the employee list. By using this map, I can achieve that. So we want only the list of the employee names. So the requirement is I need all employee names from the employee list. You can see here how this is our actual list. These are the based on our requirement, we filter the employees. Now this is my actual list. Employee how this is the our collection employee list. How we are converting that stream dot map. Then you can see here my requirement is I want only employee names. Once you are converting into the stream, here you will get a employees. So it will iterate. Here we are using for each now. Here we no need to iterate. Once you are using stream, it will take only one by one employee. So I will get a employee here. So lambda expression. Then employee dot get name. Then finally we need to call a terminal operation. Collect collectors inside collectors dot to list. So the return type of this, what is the return type? Names we are getting. So list of names. So what is the return? Names data type string. So non-primitive data type this is. So employee names. So here you can see what we discussed about map. Map is transform each stream into another stream. So here we have employee object. From this we are getting into only names we are filtering. So object to names it is transferred. That is the transformation here. Clear what map is doing? So I will print this one. Employee names. We'll check this one. It is working or not. Run as. So map, how many employees we have? Hussein Khan Raja, Rahman Jakir. Correct? List will maintain the order. So for example, if I have any duplicates, so my list have any duplicates. Now these two are similar. Now we will execute this run as so now I am getting. I want to remove the duplicates means what I will do. Here we have collectors dot to set method also there. You can see to map method, to set method. Now here our return type is a list, but we are expecting set. That is the error. Convert cannot convert from set to list. Change the type of employee to set of string, not the list of string. Now we can check this one. That will remove or not. So Jakir came one time, and set will not maintain the order. So first employee is a Naveed, but he came like a fourth employee. So set will not maintain the order. Clear this one? When to use the list, when to use set.
Yes, sir.
And next thing, so same employees, I want employee list. I need to convert that into capital letters, uppercase. All employee names will be capital letter. So we can do this one. Similar requirement. Want employee names. Now whose names are in camel case. Some letters are capital first letter. Now my requirement is I want all employees with uppercase. So first we will see in traditional how we can achieve. traditional way. So first thing I need to iterate a employee list. This is the actual list. Here this is the for each loop. Then employee. So here what I need only employee names. First we will create a outside the list string of employee names equal to new array list. So in this list I want to add employee names. Employee name dot add. So from where I will get by using this object employee dot get name. So outside the loop I am printing. So employee names run as a Java application. So this is this one. But what I mentioned, I want to uppercase. So just here we will get employee dot get name means I will get that string because the return type of this method is the string. Then we have that string have uppercase method. So simply I will put here to uppercase. So run as a you can see here converted to uppercase. In functional way, how we can achieve this? Functional way. No idea?
The same as create. For one, we need to create the object, and in for loop, we will write that the same line itself. I think.
For loop. Functional way, we are not using any for loops.
No, in Lambda
We are
condition, we
converting.
need to give a two uppercase condition after get
That's
that
it.
name. Just
So
the two uppercase.
I will use this one. Employees name to upper. So same thing. Here how we get the employees with the same thing. Dot
Two uppercase.
to upper. So here this is the actual list converting into stream, then intermediate method, finally terminal operation. Then we will print. So you can see the difference here in traditional how we are achieving, in functional way how we are achieving. Which one is easy?
Functional way is
When it is easy, if you know these methods, what is the purpose of this method, then it is easy. If you don't know the purpose of the methods, you can't do anything. So we will execute and check this one. Run as a employee names, two uppercase. Okay. This is good. Okay. Run as a Java application. So correct. The same way we achieved here in traditional way as well as a functional way. So that's all today. Tomorrow we will continue. You can practice this filter and map with different scenarios.